For what?
You're walking down the middle
I'm
of the
on the
street.
damn white line.
You're being instructed
No,
to
I'm
come over.
not. You can't just put your hands on me like this.
Do not do that.
Bullshit, man.
Do not do that.
Put your hand on me.
Put your hands over here.
God damn!
Now you're hitting the squad car.
You gonna take me to jail for that shit?
Didn't say I'm taking you to jail.
Okay, so can you put your hand off me?
Maybe you could just help show him where a good place to walk is.
Not on the roadway.
I know, I'm saying maybe you
Take
could
your
just
hand off me.
suggest that he go to it at the other side and help him.
Please step back.
Maybe you could just help him know where the right place to walk is.
Ma'am, could you please step back?
Take your hand off me. Yes, I have.
Okay. You haven't been
Okay, I know my rights. Remain silent. I didn't do nothing. And you got your hand on me. Okay, I will walk somewhere else.
Okay, we've gone
It's
beyond
like a
that
sidewalk.
just a little bit.
It's closed.
We've gone beyond that.
No, we haven't. That's bullshit, and you know it.
Okay, why are you being this way?
We can't look at the fuck you got your hand on me, folks.
Because
Y'all working on the damn
you're
sidewalk.
not come back.
Fuck you, man.
Dude, this
Come
isn't
back for
going.
what? I remain silent.
Settle
What
down.
happened? Nigga, take me to
Settle
jail,
down.
bitch. Give a fuck. This bullshit, get your hand off me.
He's scared,
Yeah,
sir.
like I'm doing
Settle
something
down.
to you. You got
Settle
your
down.
hand on me.
It's
Did I put my
scary.
hand on you?
Settle down.
Fuck you. Your hand off me, damn. I already too my fucking bad. And I ain't got no money to pay
Because
for
he's
it.
black.
Settle down.
Fuck you. Come on,
Yeah,
settle
that
down.
language you can't use in this neighborhood, okay?
Okay, well, can I keep walking
No,
Right.
in the
you can't.
neighborhood? Why not?
Because we're going to have a discussion about a whole bunch of stuff that's going on right now. What's going on?
Why don't you just help him?
Ma'am, that's how it
take your
started.
hand?
That's how it
No,
started.
I watched the whole thing. I just pulled around him and watched
Take your
you.
hand off
I've
me.
asked
You
you
never
20
tried to
times.
help
Hey,
him.
you got your hand on me.
Sir, I'm asking you
For what? What do you want me to do? Can I at least go sit down?
just settle down.
All right, I'm settling down. You gonna take your hand off me?
Settle down.
I will. When you take your hand off me.
Push me up.
So you gonna arrest me now?
Don't know if we're going that
No,
far.
I got to
We don't
remind
need
your
to
name
do
silent. Man. That's bullshit.
But he didn't do anything.
Didn't do fucking shit. My damn bag. This ain't mine.
142
Oh,
59 and 13 here at the club.
can you take your fucking hand off me?
Dude, okay.
Dude,
We
my
don't
asshole.
go, dude,
He
we
ain't
don't.
going
Fuck
nowhere.
on, man.
He ain't
I'm
going
not
nowhere.
doing shit.
He ain't going
The
nowhere.
fuck on, man.
He ain't going
Damn.
nowhere. He ain't going
Grabbing
nowhere.
on me like that.
He ain't going nowhere.
Now,
sir.
you told me to calm down. I calmed down.
He ain't going
But I
nowhere.
grabbed my shit. My hands out of my pockets.
Hey, you're not making this video.
What the fuck you want to talk to me for walking on the damn sidewalk?
Okay.
Bullshit.
No, I don't. 59, 59, 41.
Don't grab on me. Please do not touch me, dude.
Disorderly conduct when I'm
No, I'm going to jail for disorderly conduct.
Okay, I'm not going to ask you again.
Ask me
Settle
again
down,
for what?
all right?
For what?
Settle down.
For what? I didn't do shit.
There's no reason he couldn't just show
How
him
am
where
I
an okay
obstructing?
place to walk
Yeah, I'm
would be.
on the right side of the damn
You have
line.
not yet complied to any request.
That's bullshit. I don't have to. I remain silent, man. Fuck you. That's bullshit. Turn around. You're under arrest. For what? My partner told me you're under arrest. Turn around.
No, he never said that.
Yeah,
He never said that. He said he was not.
Under arrest. He's lying.
You could have just shown him where to walk really kindly. You are the one that incited this.
Heavy code 41 detained. Lost by the detained. 194, I'll continue. 19714 and 25460.
Exercise your right of being quiet.
I just got here.
Fifth
Okay.
Amendment.
All right. But you put handcuffs on me when you just got here. Yes, I did. Okay, that's bullshit. The way you're acting. I'm not acting with your partner. Your partner grabbed me. Can I grab you? That's bullshit, man.
I don't know. I have to check about that. You want to give me your card?
I don't care.
Can I get your name too?
Take it off. You're gonna take it there, right? That's what I do. That's bullshit.
I don't know what
You don't know that you just handcuffed me.
because you're acting
How am I acting? For walking on the damn road?
He's scared.
Get down and grab me.
He's scared.
You want to do? I don't give a fuck.
People die in these situations. It's scary.
Check his headphones off. Can I get my glasses? Can I have my own glasses?
Oh, no.
Yes, right here.
I'm tired of this.
Yeah, thank you.
Sick of it.
Can I get my other stuff?
What's the other stuff? That stuff right there?
Yes.
Okay. Let's get this figured out first, okay?
What's gonna get figured
Hey,
out?
it's cold out here. Can you put the jacket on him?
I don't know what's happening.
Can you put his jacket on him?
I just got here.
All right, whatever.
Trying to get
Yeah,
away
I know,
from
but
you.
you're trying to help people
I know
too.
you're trying to get
Can
away
you
from
put his jacket on?
Just, why don't you step back, take care of your own business.
I'm not
You wanna go
nowhere
grab
near
this,
you
that's all
guys.
fine.
Can you
All
put
right?
his jacket on
He's
him?
going in the back of the squad
It's
car.
cold.
Why am I going to the squad car?
This is some bullshit.
I know it's bullshit.
I gotta make sure the handcuffs.
Yeah, I know. The handcuffs are so tight around me, you gotta tighten them more.
This-
Bullshit. Hey, Derek, bring it over here.
And if I hang on to
What's he
this,
going to jail for? Walking in the middle of the street?
he said he wasn't going.
Hey, I ain't giving you nothing.
Hey, I'm Janet.
Hey, Derek.
Hey. Yes. Yep. This was all completely unnecessary.
Jeff, do you have your driver's license on you?
Yep.